Hello? Is anybody here? Is somebody using my toilet? You have to flush it down twice or it won't go down! Larry?
I was waiting for you at the cab stand, but you weren't there. What happened to your face?
Did you break into my house?
Yeah,
How did you get here?
I took a cab.
What did you take?
Yellow cab?
Yellow cab.
Yeah. What?
That's the competition, Larry. Why the hell would you do that?
I guess I didn't think about it.
What? How the hell is it gonna look for me when my only employee and 50% of the workforce, Harry Bordeaux's Cabs on the Go, is off gallivanting with Yellow Cab?
I wasn't fucking.
How the hell is it gonna make me look? This job is based on appearances, Larry. I have to appear as if I know what I'm doing, or else the competing cab companies will eat me alive.
I wasn't fucking gallivanting.
No?
No! It was just a ride! So calm the fuck down! Now you gonna tell me what happened to your face? And what's in the case?
I don't know if I can trust you now.
You don't know if you can trust me. I did 2 years for you, Harry.
Did you make French toast?
I looked in your fridge and all I found was 2 eggs, bread, and butter. The fridge is empty now.
Yeah. Can I have some?